Welcome to all of you. Myself Rahul. Today I am going to give a brief explanation about service absence in HCM PUM Image 45. I am Rahul. I am a PeopleSoft consultant and from Kavan I have gained experience in people tools and PUM features. Also, as a PeopleSoft HCM techno functionalist, I have gained experience on upgrade and support projects. So today we are going to see about the overview of PeopleSoft management self-service page, absence manage related information. In Absence Manage, we are going to see about how to create a leave request, how to view a leave request, and how it is better than the previous version. All those things we are going to see in Manage Absence. Related information. In related information, we are going to see about the holiday calendars and balance forecasting. Manage Absence. What is Manage Absence self-service? Enables the employee to create absence request. It means the employee can create a leave request in an easy manner that the employee can choose the type of absence and even the employee can request for a partial day leave. And this make it easier for the employee to request a leave through the manage absence style. View details related to those requests, which means the employee is able to view the related data about the leave request on a single time. How it is helpful for an organization. Helps the employee with simple transaction like requesting or canceling an option. Absence. It means the manage absence style enables the employee to create requests and view details related to those requests. When an employee needs to take a time off from his work, they can use the absence management time to submit for a request. The employee can either submit his request or he can cancel his request through the absence management self-service. Absence. Here we are going to see about three features, mainly create, view, and options. In create, it enables the user to create absence in a quicker manner. It means in older days we have to draft mail for requesting a leave, but now we can use the absence management tile to create an absence request. The employee can create a leave request by simply selecting the starting date, end date, and the type of leave. And there is an button called absence name, apply absence name. This will help the employee to apply for a partial day leave. And also, if necessary, he can upload the necessary document for his leave request. Two, absence related information like data, type, and status. This helps the employee to view his all leave requests, which are in pending state as well as approved state or denied state. All those information related his absence request can be viewed in a single place. And also the employee can view in detail about his leave request, like when did he approve for leave, when did who is the approver, whether his leave got approved or denied. All those details can be viewed in a single page. And also the employee can filter out the data using there are various kinds of filter which helps the employee to figure out about his leave request. The employee can simply select the start date and end date and filter the data whether he has taken any leave in those particular days. It's easy to find out in this manage absence style. And also there are various filters like status and absence type. This will help the employee to filter the absence request in an easy manner. Options. Here mainly we have two options: view and cancel. In view, it's a read-only page. Here the employee is able to view his all information related request uh, and cancel. This will help the employee to cancel his leave request. Related information. Here we have mainly two options: balance and holiday calendar. In balance, the employee is able to view his absent, view his balance of his absence, which means the employee is able to view the balance of his leave request. And also it will make easy for the employee to plan according to his balance leave. Holiday calendar. In holiday calendar, the employee is able to view the company's holiday calendar. And also there is a filter. The employee can use the filter to find out, to filter out particular months, and he can see the number of holiday which his company offers. This will helps the employee to plan according to the company's calendar. Demo. So here we are going to log in using an employee ID so that we can understand more about manage absence. So here we are going to select about employee self-service, and this is absence management. So by selecting this, we are able to see three tiles. These three tiles are the leave requests put by the employee in the recent days. So we are able to see the type of leave, the day, hours, and the status. So the particular employee has taken leave for a vacation, sick. And also we can see the hours which the particular employee has taken, and also the status of the leave request. So now we can go and create a leave request, and these tails which helps the employee to know about his leave request. And it is a new features which the PUM Image 45 has, and it is much helpful for the employee to know when did he take leave and for what reason did he take leave. So we are going to create a new leave request. We can simply select the starting date. So I'm just randomly selecting a date in July. I'm selecting July 12th. As you can see, the July 12th is reflected here. We can just simply add this increment date. It will simply add a date to the end date. As you can see here, it is 12. Now it's 13. And then we have to select the reason. And then we have to click on apply absence name. So when we click on apply absence name, a drop down appear for reason. So here we have to select the reason, whether it is flu or food poison or sickness. So I'm just selecting sickness. So this is a portal where the employee can able to apply for a partial day leave. So we can do this next. I will just show you about other things. So here the employee is able to add comments like I'm kindly approve my leave request. Kindly approve my leave request. Like that, the comments can be added by the employee. And this is the portal where the employee is able to add additional information about his leave request. For example, if he is sick, he is able to add his medical bills and doctor certificate. All those stuff can be added through this portal. So when we click on submit, a pop-up appears and we have to click on as. Then the request has been submitted to his approval. And also here it is the view all request. So here the employee said, so this is the data of his absence record. Every absence has been collected here. The employee is able to see the details of his absence record. So he has taken leave in 5th March till 9th. 5th April till 9th. So the type of absence was vacation, and it was not a partial day leave. And in approval chain, we are able to see who is the approver. You see, Christina Stevenson was his approver. So all these details is able can see in this single page. And using this filter, we can filter out the particular dates and absence status. Status in the sense of whether the status got approved or denied or cancelled or submitted. All those details can be filtered, and absence type like jury or sick or vacation. All these data can be simply filtered. So let me filter out sick. So I have submitted on a particular day only one sick leave. So now I'm going to sign in her approvers login ID. So I'm just signing out this. So how the approvers can approve, we are going to be able to see it. So here we are going to go into the manager service. Here he got three approvals. You have to go inside this approval tags. Yeah, here approved it for a leave and it is came here. By simply selecting it, we are able to view for what day, for starting days and end date leave request. All those things can be viewed. And when clicking on approve, the approver can add some comment like if it is a vacation, okay, enjoy your time. And if it is a sick, get well soon. Like that, the comments can be added or else simply submit. So now we are going to sign in using the employee, whether it got deflected or not. So again, we have to go to employee self-service, manage absence, and yes, it got approved. So this one was earlier submitted and it was approved. So okay, now we can go and create a partial day leave. Remember the day, select absence sickness, click on apply absence name, select the reason. Have to select start day or start of the day or ending of the day. So I'm just selecting starting of the day, duration about the 4 hours and done. We can also add comments here. Also add comments here. That's not an issue. And click on submit. Yeah. Yes. So again the same process. The approver will get his notification and he is able to approve his request. So we are just going to approve his request. So in approval, you have to go to manage self-service. Here again, he got three approvals. So time 24 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours. Sickness, sickness, sickness. So this is the recent leave request. Click on approve. Close comment, submit. Yes. So all his request has been approved. So now we are going to see about show any queries regarding this. So about the business benefit. Create and edit absence request. The employee can create an absence request in a simple manner. That's what it's mentioned. View details regarding the absence on a single time. The employee is able to view all the details regarding his absence on a single time. It makes it easier to the employee to view his absence details. Display the most recent tile made by the employee. As I have showed you, when we are entering into the absence managed tile, the first three tiles are the request made by the employee on the recent days. Use cards and related content to put up more information at his fingertips. As I have told you, it makes it easier for the employee to request for a leave request and it consumes time. It consumes less time. Do you have any queries? About Covayan. Covayan is a business transformation and technology solution partner. We have got headquarters in UK and spread across USA, Philippines, and India. We are the Oracle partner specialized in HCM Cloud, ERP Cloud, and PeopleSoft application, offering an end-to-end implementation support and upgrade enhancements of service. Our expertise talks about services in 45 companies where we have multi-company implementations and rollout. We have executed 200 plus engagements and have customers across different domains, which are strong with a team of 200 plus consultants. About PeopleSoft practices, our portfolio on PeopleSoft takes talks about the experience across the different PeopleSoft application and modules, namely the HCM, FSCM, CS, CRP, and ELM. We have executed numerous implementation, upgrade, and support engagements with customers in different segments like ITs and ITES, staffing, automobile, BSF, BFSI, and education. We have 12 plus years of experience in PeopleSoft landscape, and our expertise span across multi-international vertical project accomplishment. Though an allies agile methodology, we are proud to be mentioned that we work as support partners for global Fortune around 500 companies. Kavian is allied with Oracle products.